वाहिगुरु, वाहिगुरु, वाहिगुरु. You see how in the presence of a realized one goes deeper into oneself, starts thinking more deeply. In the presence of my Guru, I was reciting in my heart, Simro, simmer, simmer, sukh pavo, kal kalesh tan mamtavo. Vaheguru. And you know, he hinted to me to shut up. So I wondered, why I am reciting a prayer. Why has he asked me to shut up? Well, I realized that nothing is happening, I'm just saying, Simro, Simro, simmer, simmer, sukh pao. सुख तो कोई मिल नहीं रहा, सिमरन तो कोई हो नहीं रहा. कल और क्लेश का मतलब भी नहीं पता. So think deeply, whatever you think, so that finally you go beyond thoughts and you can have an eternal rest. While alive, you can be eternally quiet and still. What Greeks called eudaimonia. We keep debating about, in the medical circles, we keep debating about euthanasia. Should it be legal or not? Vaheguru. The origin is from eudaimonia and euthanasia. Eudaimonia is that honorable living where you're dead while alive and you're alive even after death. That's euthanasia. Honorable, always honorable. And what is honorable? Being a saint. What is saint? Being sane. Otherwise you are insane. Being nar. Otherwise we are vanar. Vanar means nar-like, human-like, but not human, human-like. A saint is the one who is sane, who has attained the end. Ain't, I am no one. Then, नानक हुक्म जे बुझे तो हूँ मैं कहे न कोई. It doesn't mean, haume doesn't mean I am a doctor. Haume doesn't mean I am a rich man or a poor man. Haume means I am not a person. I am not an identity. I am an entity. I am not an identity. As long as I am an identity, I will suffer. So, while alive, if you are willing to die, that will be called euthanasia. That will be called eudaimonia. While alive, you don't think, you don't speak, you don't hear. You are always there. This art has to be learned, and it is only possible in love. It's not possible otherwise. Otherwise, Pandit pade maya moh badda, na bujhe bikhya pyar. In material world, you can never understand what is this which is beyond understanding. सतगुरु मिले त्रिकुटी छूटे, चौथे पद मुकद्वार. चौथा पद भी है एक. चौगुण करे निहाल. देयर इज अ चौथा गुण ऑल्सो. तीन गुण तो हमको माइंड, इंटेलेक्ट, बॉडी से समझ आ जाते हैं. चौथा गुण इज a state of communion with God beyond intellect. Trikuti छूटे. Trikuti क्या है? You know, there's a seer, there's a seen, and there's a seeing. The process of seeing. You go beyond all this. There is no seer, there is no seen, there is no seeing. There is an eternal rest inside. And this can only happen in love. So when he asked me to shut up, and I became deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper, then comes the voice. And that's when Bani comes from Turun Ai Bani. Anand pya meri maaye Satgur mein paya. We keep reciting it. We are crying, but we would say, Anand pya meri maaye. We are crying, yet we'll say, Anand pya meri maaye Satgur mein paya. आनंद तो हुआ नहीं, पर क्यों बोल रहे हो आनंद पे मेरे? Children will be taught to say, twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. But they don't ever wonder. They don't even look at the star, but they just recite. So similarly, we can keep reciting Anand pe mere maaye Satgur mein paya, while tears are flowing down and we are cursing the world and our circumstances and ourselves. But we would say, Anand pya meri maaye Satgur mein paya. कुछ भी तो नहीं हुआ. And when in love, you truly meet that reality, then it will come from your heart. Anand pya meri maaye Satgur mein paya. किमें पाया? सहज सिद्धि. With my true self, my soul self. Not with this mind, not with this body, not with this intellect, but with my soul self. मन वजियां वधाइयां, मन भी खुश हो गया. तन मन थी वह हरिया, सब कुछ खिल गया, सब तरफ फूल खिल गए. This would happen. स्मृति शास्त्र पुण्य पाप विचारते, तत्ते सार न जानी. तत्ते सार न जानी, गुरु बाचों तत्ते सार न जानी. From the books, you cannot, the same books will give you meaning once you are in the presence of a realized one. But I mean, you have a book on mathematics, your own curriculum, but you won't be able to understand unless you go to the school and a teacher teaches you the same book. So, a realized one who has seen the truth is essential, who is beyond all this teaching. From the primary class onwards, we've been told to keep a finger on the lips. It's just the beginning that someday we'll become quiet and we'll be able to understand our reality, which is beyond speech, which is beyond hearing, which is beyond thoughts, which is just a beautiful feeling. So dharana dhyana samadhi trayam ekatra sanyamaha. So dharana is a conviction that I need my eternal quiet. Human is born to feel that. I keep reminding. That's the only difference between human and the rest of the creation. Human is far inferior than the rest of the creation because he is the only one who's suffering. No insect suffers, no animal suffers, no mountains or oceans suffer. Human alone suffers. Human is inferior to the rest of the creation, peculiarly. But human is superior to the rest of the creation because human's got the potential to go beyond creation. So that's why the highest place in the creation has been given to man. So that he doesn't continue to be a Nar, he becomes a Nar by seeing the Narayan inside. जिनी पछाता हुक्म तिन कदे ना रोवना, नाव नानक बख्शीश मान महापरोवना. अंदर एक बाजा बजेगा in love. When you see your beloved, there will be an eternal quiet within. And then you will get riveted to that quiet. And that's when you would say, सब किछु कार में बाहर नाही, जो बाहर ढूंढे सो परम बुलाई. It will be your voice. It will not be Gurbani telling you. Hare Ram, Vaheguru, अमृत नाम परमेश्वर तेरा, जो सिमरे सो जीवे. चुप कर जाओगे जब, अंदर सब कुछ चुप कर जाएगा, thoughts खत्म हो जाएंगे. You will be filled with a feeling of love. Love is not missing something or someone. Love is meeting something or someone. And that will happen only in your heart. It cannot happen outside. If it happens outside, फिर आप मैले हो जाओगे, मैले हो जाओगे, पवित्र ना रहोगे. We are supposed to levitate. We are born to live in Brahmaloka, not in Mrityuloka. We are born so that we can reach Sachkhand. And that will only happen during life, never after death. स्वर्ग चले गए जी, स्वर्ग सिधार गया, कोई स्वर्ग नहीं सिधारेगा. स्वर्ग तो सिर्फ बॉडी के अंदर ही है, मरने के बाद नहीं है, नहीं है. ब्रह्मलोक, सचखंड, kingdom of heaven, this is the body which is the kingdom of heaven. This is the body. And one has to realize it. How would you realize it? If somebody gives you a conviction that it is possible. We have thought that Buddha is a historical figure. That's the basic problem. Every moment there is a Buddha. Every moment there is a Nanak. सतगुरु नानक प्रगटिया मिट्टी धुंद, जग चानन होया. कित्थे मिट्टी धुंद? कलयुग तो अभी भी है, सफरिंग तो उतनी की उतनी है, शायद बढ़ गई है या कम हो गई है, because there's no comparisons. So if we think deeply, we would realize सतगुरु नानक तो यहाँ प्रगटेगा ना, ननकाना साहब तो यहाँ होगा, दिल के अंदर, तब तो धुंध मिट जाएगी. Then there will be no darkness left. You will be filled with love. And you will be a walking, talking love. No other feeling. जान आने का एह सुहाओ, जान के संग चित आवे नाओ. Human goal of a human is to become eternally quiet. Then wherever he moves about, he will carry that quiet along, and quiet will become all pervasive. Wherever he is, it is Gurdwara. Because what is Gurdwara is not made up of bricks and wood. It's made of flesh and bones. Gurudwara, mandir, church, tabernacle. It is your human body. But love has to take birth. When love takes birth, this body will become Gurudwara. So a realized one initiates that fire and then fans that fire. Allow that to happen in your hearts. Hare Ram. Age doesn't matter. Status doesn't matter. Sex doesn't matter. Riches or poverty doesn't matter. It is an eternal quiet, which is the ultimate goal of life. And it is within all of us. All of us. Tirath is inside. Kumbh Mela. Very well, must go, why not? But Kumbh means your heart. Go into your heart. Mela. Mela is not a crowd. Mela is Milan. Mil jana. Seek and ye shall find. But seek in the right place. अमृतसर अमृत का सागर वहां तो नहीं मिलेगा किसी ज्योग्राफिक प्लेस में. कब तक हम भटकते रहेंगे? हरि का द्वार तो यहाँ है. हरिद्वार कहीं ज्योग्राफिक प्लेस तो नहीं हो सकती. लॉजिकल, वी ऑल नो दैट. हरे राम, but still a sheep mentality, herd mentality, animal nature. We keep moving about here and there. तीरथ तप दया दत्त दान जे को पावे तिल का मान. अंडरस्टैंड गुरबानी. कितने भी तीरथ कर लो, तप कर लो, जंगल में जाके बैठ जाओ सांपों के बीच में, दयावान कितने भी क्यों ना हो जाओ, कितने भी दान क्यों ना दे दो, हरे राम, जे कुछ मिलेगा तो तिल का मान. इतना से कुछ भी नहीं मिलेगा. और सुनिया मन्या मन की तपा हो, अंतर्गत तीरथ मल ना हो. एक जब बाजा बजेगा ना, शब्द सुहावा सदा सोहला, सतगुरु सुनाया. सोहला क्या होता है? मेला, मिलन, शहनाई, वेडिंग सॉन्ग, द सॉन्ग ऑफ लव. वो जब सुनेगा तो सब कुछ पवित्र हो जाएगा. फिर आपके पांव जमीन पे नहीं लगेंगे. आप पाक हो जाएंगे, खालसा हो जाएंगे. पाकिस्तान और खालिस्तान में सचमुच कोई अंतर ना रह जाएगा. ये तो वर्ड्स है ना. पाक हो जाएंगे. एक मूवी थी पाकीज़ा. पाक, अल्टीमेट प्योरिटी. पाकीज़ा, अल्टीमेट प्योरिटी. The beloved gets a little glimpse of the feet of this Pakiza, and he just leaves a note there. आपके पाँव बहुत हसीन हैं, इनको जमीन पर मत रखिएगा, मैले हो जाएंगे. सो हम सब वो पाकीज़ा हैं. पवित्र होए से जना जिन हरिते आया. अपने अंदर जब बाजा बजेगा तो पवित्र हो जाओगे. किसी चीज को टच करने से डर लगेगा कहीं मैला ना हो जाए कुछ. मैं भी पवित्र, आप भी पवित्र. प्रेम का सागर हो जाएंगे. हरे राम. That's the goal of life. हम अपने आप को पापी पापी बोल के पता नहीं क्या करते रहते। मैं पापी हूं। क्यों हो पापी? Procedures, when we talk about formalities, I told one of my friends कि ना अपने घर में, कहते क्या करूं, थोड़ा इतना अनरेस्ट है। I said घर में ना सब तरफ भगवान की फोटो लगा लो, कोई भी भगवान। वो कहता है सब तरफ कैसे लगाई जा सकती? मैं क्या, क्यों नहीं लगा सकते? नहीं, 100 गलत काम करने होते हैं, 100 काम करने होते हैं। I said भगवान तो वैसे भी देख ही रहा है, लगा फोटो लगाने में क्या है? विस्की, बार, सिगरेट, वेरियस अदर थिंग्स, छोड़ दो ना सब कुछ। थर्सडे को मैं नॉनवेज नहीं खाता। क्यों? कि थर्सडे पवित्र होता है। वेल, चाहे मंडे कह लो या ट्यूसडे कह लो, फिर रोज क्यों नहीं पवित्र हो जाते? अगर तुमको लगता है कि नॉनवेज नॉन इम्प्योर है, अगर नहीं लगता तो फिर तो रोज खाओ, क्या प्रॉब्लम है? और अगर लगता है कि ये पवित्र नहीं है तो फिर कभी भी मत खाओ। So let's think deeply. When I gave up drinks, initially I used to serve. Then I thought to myself, if I think it is impure and I should not drink, then why should I serve? So in the army it was difficult because, the culture is such that your bosses, your seniors, your colleagues would come and it's considered to be natural, normal. But when I'm convinced that it's not normal, then how can I serve? So I can only apologize that I don't get it home. I don't. Hare Ram. Then I realized that drinking happens only after 8 o'clock. Bars open at 8 o'clock. When the mandirs close at 8 o'clock, bars open at 8 o'clock. So then I realized, why not go to sleep before 8 o'clock? So nobody will think about drinks. Nobody will come to your house. You will not go to anybody's. Because people go to people's houses for drinking. So I started going to sleep before 8 o'clock. But then, how can you survive? Well, I'm ready to die. I'm already dead. It doesn't matter. So you have to be convinced about what you're doing and no superficial living. You start living from your heart in love. You will be blessed and everybody will be blessed. First of all, you will be blessed. A flower blossoms not to give fragrance to others. It just blossoms. And people like it. That will be incidental. So blossom, resolve to blossom. मरने से पहले जीना सीखना है. And life is in love. Just become love embodied. Love is not separation. Love is meeting, communion. Initially miss your beloved Ishwar, then commune with him and live with him permanently. Hare Ram, Vaheguru, Hare Krishna, Vaheguru, 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 Vaheguru.